in the year 12, he got in with a star in physics, and then first mock, and he got a B. At that time, I think we were just started, I think.
And how long did it take to go from that B to starting to get those A's and A stars again consistently?
The first exam was in end of October, and the second one was on the early January. So then it was straight gone back up in 2-3 months. Yeah.
Before joining us in year 12, what were some of your worries and concerns with physics?
What he answers in the exam compared to what his knowledge was, there was a gap between that two. When you went through all the questions and how to answer them, I think that really helped him. Yeah.
Just getting how to do the questions. Before like year 12 and early year 12, when you didn't give me that advice, I felt like 4 and 6 markers, I was just waffling.
When did you start realizing, or what kind of news or things that you got in school that told you that, okay, I'm on the right track here?
I always say that you can do as many papers, but if you don't know what you have gone wrong, means nothing. And then when you mark the paper, I was like, oh, thank you so much for marking those papers. It was the best.
If I marked my own papers, I would either overinflate my marks or push my marks way too down.
And other one was the tracker, because even though Shiven has the knowledge, the base, but keeping him on a planning that, oh, how many questions that you have done from those paper, the modeling paper, exploring paper.
What advice would you give that student going into year 13?
Don't be demotivated. Keep revising over year 12 topics, because it's easy to just focus on the year 13 topics, but if the exam comes around to it, then year 12 topics may come up and you may lose marks there. And you shouldn't really be doing that. So just keep being on top of it, and physics will stay not easy, but just like more manageable.